Instant Pot is my favorite kitchen appliance, and I just upgraded to the Instant Pot Pro a few months ago. It had been working great, but I realized that sometimes steam was leaking from the release valve during cooking, so it took forever to get to the cooking process. If steam is escaping from the valve when it should be sealed, it may indicate a minor issue that needs attention. Before assuming there's a problem, make sure the steam release switch is set to seal and not vent. Food particles, grease, or debris may be stuck inside the release valve, preventing a proper seal. You can remove the steam release cover, lift out the steam release valve to check for clogs, then reassemble and ensure it fits securely. Since my Instant Pot is fairly new, I know this is not the problem of the silicone sealing ring. The steam release valve is responsible for regulating pressure inside the Instant Pot. After close examination, I figured out that the valve was not balanced when the switch was in the seal position. Readjusting the weight helped fix my issue and stop the steam leaking instantly. If the valve is tilted, loose, or not sitting correctly, steam may escape even when the switch is in the sealing position. You just need to ensure the valve moves freely and sits level to maintain pressure inside the Instant Pot. I hope your Instant Pot would work perfectly again and be ready to cook up delicious meals. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.